Australia is carried by the road transport industry. Day and night, this industry, with its many unsung heroes, carries Australian produce and equipment from where it is to where it's got to go. It's what makes this country tick. To say that the road transport industry is competitive is an understatement. Only the tough survive, and without doubt, survival is totally dependent on the selection of equipment that is reliable, that'll work hard, day in, day out, year after year, until it's well and truly paid for itself. The name Lionel Moore Trailers is one name that is synonymous with this reliability. Yes, more and more transport companies are putting more trailers to work for them. More and more progressive farmers are delivering their valuable grain in more trailers. More and more coal hauling contractors are basing their contracts on more trailers. From Atherton to Adelaide, Brisbane to Bourke, more and more people are turning to more trailers for quality transport equipment. Today, almost 1 in 10 trailers on the road proudly carry the Moore name. So, what is it that makes Moore trailers so sought after? What is it that makes them so popular? 4 vital things: decades of experience in the trailer manufacturing business, a convenient, purpose-built manufacturing plant, good lines of communication with the end user of their products, and finally, a close-knit family dynamic that is focused on the needs of the transport industry. And the vision started way back in the late 60s with this man, the man behind the name, Mr. Lionel Moore. You see, Lionel was driven by a desire to create a better trailer, a more reliable trailer, a more productive trailer. From a humble shed in the industrial estate at Pittsworth in southern Queensland, the first Moore trailer took shape way back in November 1988. The industry voted with its chequebook, and the company has gone from strength to strength. By 1995, driven by quite incredible growth and the desire to make their facility and expertise more accessible to its clients, the decision was made to relocate the plant to its present site, right beside the Gore Highway on the outskirts of Pittsworth. This was a very deliberate move because Lionel knew that the people that used his equipment would need to feel that he was never very far away, that he was keeping his finger on the pulse, and that if ever there was a problem, Moore's were just up the road.
Same in this area here. We've got the weight considerably,
Yes, it's this communication lifeline that feeds directly onto the drafting tables of Moore trailers. And this, more than anything, has resulted in Moore's being seen as the innovators. Several members of the family have joined Lionel today. Visitors to the plant will be greeted by the smiling face of Lionel's daughter, Karen, at reception. And Lionel's 2 sons, Shane and Graham, both experienced tradesmen in their own right, have brought a new and increased capacity to the vision of Moore trailers. It's this rather unique and interesting family dynamic that really sets Moore's apart.
The gateway's got to be formed up here so that their road train access can come in.
Not your typical board meeting, but good communication and renewed enthusiasm happen right here. And Lionel knows it.
This gate here is a very good idea.
The family dynamic doesn't end here either. It flows right on into the team of craftsmen that Lionel has built up around him. From the drawing board to final finishing, each craftsman is driven by a desire to come up with a better way of doing things. Moore's variation on the weekly staff meeting is, well, equally unique and interesting.
So how are we going to do that a bit better?
In contrast to the way that staff meetings are conventionally carried out, Lionel sits down with his team and over the obligatory beer, they explore better ways to deliver clients with reliable equipment.
Yeah, that way we can put the hangers on, sit them straight.
Yes, just in case you haven't realised it yet, the secret of Moore's success could be summed up in one word: communication. Better communication with their clients. Better communication with the team. Everything they do is aimed at gaining a better understanding of the needs of the industry and turning out quality solutions to sometimes simple but often very complex industry problems. Family and staff network to maximise teamwork and decision-making processes. Convenient highway access to make it easy for you to talk to Moores, and a commitment to excellence in everything they do. Today, Moores are seen as the innovators, leaders in the industry, pioneering several industry trends in trailer design. Take the sliding A trailer, for instance. Nearly all major trailer manufacturers offer this configuration these days, but the credit for this industry-changing innovation can be traced right back to the drawing boards at Moore Trailers. Who knows what other industry-changing developments will emanate from these humble walls? Sorry, but seriously, it's this ever-present spirit of innovation, this incredibly strong commitment to excellence that makes Moores the trailer manufacturers to be watched. If you need more trailer for your money, you really must check out Moore Trailers. You'll be glad you did.